If you're looking for a Cisco internship, stop scrolling because this opportunity can be a huge boost for your software engineering career. Cisco has started hiring for its Software Engineer Summer Internship in Bangalore. And the best part is that this internship gives you the opportunity to work on real software products alongside experienced Cisco engineers. Watch this video till the end because I'll explain who can apply, what skills Cisco is looking for, what you'll actually work on, and an important point from the official job description that many candidates miss. Welcome back to Alphazans_Tech. If you're new here, I post daily internship updates, off-campus drives, assessment links, interview preparation videos, and fresher hiring opportunities from companies like Cisco, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Accenture, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, and many more. Now let's see everything about this Cisco summer internship. This internship is for the Software Engineer Summer Internship role. The location is Bangalore. Cisco has mentioned that this posting is for future internship openings. That means even if this exact role is not open today, your application can be considered once a matching internship opens. During this internship, you'll work with experienced software engineers and contribute to real-world projects instead of only learning theory. Your work may include developing software applications, writing clean and secure code, testing and debugging applications, working with agile development teams, learning cloud technologies, building scalable software solutions, collaborating with senior engineers. This is exactly the kind of practical experience recruiters look for during placements. Now let's talk about the eligibility, because this is the most important part. Cisco is looking for students who are currently pursuing an engineering degree in computer science, information technology, or related engineering branches. Candidates should have a good understanding of computer science fundamentals, programming concepts, object-oriented programming, problem-solving, and software engineering basics. Knowledge of Python is specifically mentioned in the job description. And depending on the team, familiarity with Java, networking concepts, cloud technologies, operating systems, databases, or embedded systems can be an added advantage. If you're passionate about coding, software development, and learning new technologies, this internship is definitely worth applying for. So if your profile matches these requirements, don't delay your application. Cisco is mainly looking for candidates who have strong programming skills, Python knowledge, object-oriented programming, data structures, problem-solving, debugging skills, software development lifecycle understanding, agile methodology basics, testing knowledge, cloud fundamentals, networking basics like TCP/IP, good communication skills, team collaboration. Don't worry if you don't know every technology mentioned in the description. Cisco clearly states that interns will learn while working with experienced engineers. Many students think internships are only about getting experience. But internships at Cisco provide much more. You'll work on real software products. You'll learn industry-standard development practices. You'll collaborate with experienced engineers. You'll improve your coding skills. You'll understand how large software systems are built. Most importantly, having Cisco on your resume can significantly strengthen your profile for future placements and full-time opportunities. If you're interested in software development, back-end engineering, networking, cloud computing, embedded systems, or application development, don't miss this opportunity. Apply as early as possible because internship openings at Cisco receive a very large number of applications. I've added the official application link in the description. I've also added my internship and off-campus hiring playlist, where I regularly upload similar opportunities. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Alphazans_Tech because I post daily verified hiring updates, internships, assessment links, interview preparation videos, and off-campus opportunities. Comment Cisco after you've applied so I know how many of you are applying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next opportunity update.